every day in the Hindi film industry that the classics are remembered. And when it is the case of the magnum opus like none other, Mughal-e-Azam, that marks 50 years of making Bollywood proud, you know this is a milestone. And associated with this proud moment was Bollywood Badshah Shah Rukh Khan, who was present recently to launch a special documentary on this classic movie that's a dedication from filmmaker K. Asif's son Akbar Asif to his father, a man who made Indian cinema proud. But the occasion marked not just the bond between this father-son duo, but also that of Shah Rukh Khan and his father. Wonder how SRK's father is connected to this film? Watch the superstar divulge this little secret to you himself.
As a matter of fact, इस फिल्म का साइड ये है कि मेरे पिताजी ने भी एक दिन के लिए इस फिल्म में काम किया था. He wanted to be an actor many years ago, which I got to know later. लेकिन उन्होंने इतनी गंदी एक्टिंग की कि I think आसिफ साहब ने कहा बेटा तुम एक्टिंग मत करो, तुम एक्टर पैदा करो जाकर. So he told me this story when I was very young. So I have this. मेरा बहुत एक इमोशनल सा अटैचमेंट है विदाउट बीइंग अटैच्ड एंड आई नो द फैमिली नाउ ऑफ आसिफ साहब सो आई फील आई टोल्ड देम दिस स्टोरी. अजीत साहब का रोल शायद उनको पठान का एक कैरेक्टर चाहिए था. माय फादर वाज अ पठान सो ही वाज चोजन बट आई डोंट थिंक वी विल बी एबल टू रीकास्ट दिस फिल्म.
Only a superstar as remarkable as SRK can handle this emotion with such wit. But that's not all. King Khan also went back in the memory lane, recollecting another very fond memory that he has of Salim, that is Dilip Saab, which made the otherwise energetic Shah Rukh very emotional.
जब मैं छोटा था तो my mother like every mother, जैसे हमारे ज़माने में जो mothers थी वो चाहती थी कि हर कोई हीरो जो बने तो वो मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन बने. हमारे मदर के ज़माने में जब मैं छोटा था तो कहती थी तुम दिलीप कुमार जैसे दिखते हो. और मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई जब मैं यहाँ पर दिलीप साहब मेरे फैमिली को जानते थे, पेशावर के हम सब. सो जब मैं यहाँ पर आया उनसे मिला और सायरा जी से मिला तो उन्होंने भी मेरे बाल हिलाकर, ये वाले बाल नहीं छोटे वाले बाल, असली वाले बाल हिला के मुझे कहा कि यू रिमाइंड मी इफ वी हैड अ चाइल्ड ही वुड लुक लाइक यू. सो आई हैव बीन more inspired by the personal love that Dilip Saab and Saira ji has bestowed upon me whenever I've met them. I get tears in my eyes when I see them. And of course, as an actor, I understood him. He's such a great actor that I understood Dilip Saab's acting after I became an actor myself and studied acting in theatre. And I think he is one of the greatest influences, more than just the greatest actor in this country, greatest influences on acting in contemporary cinema. And for years, his kind of acting, his style of acting, his nuances and the realism that he brought to Indian cinema is going to be one of the main reasons that Indian cinema has become international.
Well, in case at the time of this occasion's announcement anyone wondered why SRK was chosen for this documentary launch, we're sure everyone knows now that no one else but him was the best choice. With cameraman Puneet Rawat, this is Dipti Ranglani for Archery.com.